Respiratory function is stable. Feather condition is passive infection.
Bite rate is 2.5G within optimal range.
Agreed. All parameters agree. Initiating the dawn phase shift for house 3 now. Confirmed. The birds are showing increased activity already.
Good. Monitor the data and prepare the next cycle.
On it. Weights are aligning with the model. Let's adjust the lysine. Confirmed. Camera data shows optimal body condition. Good. Update the formulations and monitor.
Skin looks good, no tears. Confirmation is standard. Yield is projected at 98 pug fastest.
Confirmed. Log it and proceed. Stock check complete on aisle 5. Order for FZN check 001. Picking now. System shows full inventory. Confirming. Order A4567 matched and loaded. Manifest received. Temperature confirmed. The roasted chicken is carefully transferred to a warm resting rack. It is then loosely covered with a foil tent to retain moisture. A timer is set for the crucial 15-minute resting period. Potatoes to the dish, steady now. Carve the chicken, even slices. Dress the salad, last moment. Fill the gravy boat, then trolley. Perfect. Bring it together.
Check doneness by gently pressing the thickest part. It should feel firm, not soft. This is correctly done. Now, a careful incision reveals the moist, white interior.
Begin by placing the chicken breast side up. We'll start, loop the twine under the chicken and around the legs, pulling firmly. Finally, tie a secure knot. Now, compare the compact trussed chicken to the untrussed one. Today, we're comparing two roasting techniques. This bird has butter under the skin and this one doesn't. Let's carve to see the difference and juice the moisture here versus the dryness on the right. The butter makes all the difference. Let's make a fresh green herb sauce for our roasted chicken. Blend the herbs with oil, vinegar, mustard, and seasoning. Process until smooth. Now, strain for a refined texture. Pour into a warm jug and serve with the chicken. First, pat the chicken dry. Rub with oil and seasonings. Place on the baking tray. Roast at 220, then 180 degrees.